Hey guys, I wanna show you the robotic vacuum cleaner. Did you see this guy? Here it is that I have seen in the one of the shop that I found. Just have a look. It's so nice and clear. As you can see, it has multi-functions, guys, with auto dot disposal master. As you can see, it's amazing. As you can see, it has the sensor that it senses everything. It's smart, of course, and you can operate with it. Has on the apps. Download the apps and you just start and it works all alone. They say it's accurate LiDAR navigation. Look at this. Hands-free cleaning. Give you more free time to enjoy life. Did you see that? Isn't it amazing? Take a look at this. Look. Guys, this is, I have never seen this before. Take a look at this. It has chamber inside. Did you see that? 300 millimeter dust bin, 250 millimeter water tank, mop cloth holder. Did you see that? Wow. Look at this. Did you see that? Robotic vacuum cleaner, self-employing, quick mapping, strong suction, of course 3-in-1 system, smooth moving, of course is with the you can use with the application control, app control, auto recharge. Guys, is powerful with display functions. You can see everything. It has display and you can see all those functions in the display. There is indication of the battery on the display, and it's easy to use, and of course guys, it's working all alone. Just take a look at this. If you want this, guys, I will leave the link in the description below. You can buy this product in the description below. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.